Welcome to another episode. Today we will see about hope and fear. The question is asked, how do I know if my acceptance of a situation is driven by fear or driven by hope? Hope and fear are two sides of the same coin. The problem in front of you, and instead of there is a problem in front of you, and instead of trying to solve it, you try to postpone it to the future. That is hope. And if you are afraid from the memories of the past, then that is fear. This is the same problem. So if you look from the past, it creates fear. If you look into the future, it creates hope. That happens when you are unable to solve the problem in front of you. Hope and fear. If you are able to understand the problem, solve it, then there is no need for hope or fear. There is only action. You resolve the problem, overcome it. So hope and fear are not reality, but the mental projections. So we will see from J.Krishnamurti's Total Freedom, he talks in the similar lines. He says, the mind creates illusion. It is not the very process of thinking, the result of the memory. It is the result of the memory, which is verbalized through symbols, an image to which the mind clings, and it does not understand the reality. Either it creates hope or fear. So when you are in discomfort, conflict or misery, your mind seeks a way away from it. The mind going away from the problem creates fear. Once you look away from the problem, it creates fear. So if you are able to resolve the problem, then there is no fear or hope. But whereas, if your mind says, I don't know what to do, but in future this will become alright, then that is hope. So as long as you are not able to resolve your problem, there is you depend upon hope. So that is what J.Krishnamurti says. And Osho also says in a similar line in his book Authors and Ancient Music in the Pines. He quotes Nietzsche. Friedrich Nietzsche is right. He says, please don't destroy people's lives, their illusions, because if you destroy their illusions, if you destroy their illusions, they will not be able to live at all. They will collapse. So Nietzsche has told, don't destroy people's illusions, because if you destroy their illusions, they will not be able to live. They will collapse. Because they live with hope or fear. That's what drives them. When they are in fear, they create a god and worship it. When they are in hope, they sit there without resolving the problem, expecting a better future. And if you destroy the illusions, hope and fear will go away. And they will not know how to live. They live because of these illusions, with hope and fear for a better future. So, that is what Osho says. When hope or fear disappears, the energy, pool of energy which you were using unnecessarily to strive hard for a future, it goes. So we understand from this that hope and fear are two sides of the same coin. One retrenched in the past and other expectation of the future. That is because we are unable to resolve today's problems. With this, we will end this lecture. Stay with me for another episode. Thank you.